Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if dots appear when you press the space key on your keyboard. So if that's the case, let's go quick into the process for your Microsoft Word. So open the Microsoft Word, click on it under the best match. Click on blank document. Now let me show you. If I continuously press the space key on my keyboard, dots are showing. So if I press again, dots are showing. Now, why did this happen? Then let's go click on the File tab on the top left pane. Click on that. You will find more in the list of options here. Click on that. Click on Options. For the word options in this window, you will find Display. Click on that. And here you will find this always show this formatting marks on the screen. So if you enable these spaces, which we never use, press the space key on your keyboard, they will turn into dots. So if you enable this, then you will probably or you will obviously get that same thing. Whenever you press the space key, it will give you dots. So in order to not make this happen, or in order to prevent it, then you just need to simply uncheck it and click on OK. So now if I'm going to press the space key, dots will no longer appear. And as easy as that, you have fixed the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.